What's up, guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP. XRP to a level of $1,000 may seem ridiculous to some. XRP to a level of $10,000 will seem ridiculous to most. And XRP to a level of like $1 seems reasonable to a lot of people. I see this well over a level of $1. I don't know if you are ignoring all of the different things that are in the news, or even ignoring the previous market cap that it was at, as well as understanding what the bull market tends to do for cryptocurrencies, because it tends to 2 or 3x a lot of positions into new all-time highs. And just ignoring that and saying that it could only get to $1 is ridiculous. Getting to $1 would mean that you're seeing a $53 billion market cap. Are you saying that it can't get back to a $120 billion market cap? Are you saying that it can't get to over that $100 or $200 billion market cap? I believe that it can, right? In my opinion, I see so much that's there. And again, it is my opinion. It's not anybody else's opinion but my own. But I see so much that's here to where this growth could be, multiple dollars, right? $5, $10, $20, $100. And I think it will be worth a lot more than a ton of people think. Because yes, while we're being conservative, right, I want people to find a way to accept some of their initial investments as they do grow, right? If it goes from 60 to $1, it goes from 60 to $1.20. That's doubling your investment. If you want to take your initial investment at that point, you can. It's not saying that you don't believe in the position by doing that. It's saying that you're believing in the position by keeping some in there. That's what I typically do. When I see it get to a 2 or 3x, usually it's a 3x, I will take the initial investment, maybe a little bit of profit, and then I will put that in either my bank account or I'll put it into another investment. As you see XRP grow and as you see XRP flourish, it makes sense to take whatever you had and now give yourself other opportunities that are out there. Maybe it's a newer thing like Caspa, or maybe it's something like Jasmy Coin that starts to run, or maybe it's CRO that you feel like you missed the boat and it can be at like 25 cents. And you're like, all right, well, you know what? I'll get in at 25 cents and see this go up to $1 and $3 and whatever. And you're giving yourself another opportunity, another position to get into, while also believing in XRP. And that's what I tend to do, right? I will invest into XRP, and I have $1,000 worth right now, and I probably should have a lot more, but I have $1,000 worth right now. And as time goes on, I will make sure I take some profit, but leave some in the end. If I have 100 coins and it's $10,000 per coin, like I have $1 million. Like that's how simple it is. So if people really believe, if you really believe that this is going to get to $1,000 or $10,000, you ultimately wait till you can get to a level and, take some profit. And then you see that you have 100, 200 coins that are left, and you go on about your day, right? You're still believing in the position by holding on to that. And that's what I plan on doing in my Kraken portfolio, is continuing to buy more XRP as I gain something within the Kraken portfolio. So just to explain that a little bit, I built a Kraken portfolio to where I randomly invested into projects, lower end projects, and I currently hold about $23 worth of XRP based on other investments that have moved quite a bit. Super Farm has moved quite a bit, and I threw like $10 or $7 into Ripple. I did the same thing with Celestia, where I threw some into Ripple. So either way, I'm throwing some of my position into here so that I have, maybe 30, 40, 50, or 100 XRP in the end. And this will be what I decide to do with this position all the way down the line. However, I have 1,600 over here in Coinbase that I plan on doing something else with. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Rumble, make sure you guys follow me on Rumble. The link is in the description. But let's check out XRP right now. because XRP is moving a little bit. It's up about 2%, seeing it at 63 cents. And we're looking at a $34 billion market cap with $777 million worth of volume. Obviously, the popularity is not as high right now, especially since we don't know what's going to happen with the case, the Ripple versus SEC case, because we didn't have a settlement, and we really don't have a true date on when we will see a settlement or anything like that. We don't have a deadline. We have basically the final judgment, honestly. So currently we see a decent increase, right? Where we were flat for a while, for hours, and then we decided to increase at about 5 a.m. And now we're seeing it hover up in this 63, almost to 64 cent level. Now, XRP will be worth a lot more than where it is right now once we see a conclusion to that case, once we see implementation. And we already are seeing Ripple that's implemented within banks, and understanding that XRP is there, kind of just sitting there as that standard option, I feel as though gives it a huge benefit in the end. So ultimately, I believe XRP will be worth so much more than people think. So while you see this overall high point, that was at a $3.30 price, you could see this at a $120+ billion market cap. Now, this can go a lot further than $120+ billion. I think it's going to go to 200, 300, anywhere in the kind of short-term bullish market to $500 billion market cap. I can see that happen, right? Even up to a level of $1 trillion market cap as we start to move forward and the market really starts to flourish. You could see XRP worth so much more to where it could possibly or potentially take over where Ethereum actually is. And then in the long run, if XRP is truly worth $1,000 or $10,000, it's going to take over basically as the leader of the crypto market and take over as the true world currency, what Bitcoin aspires to be. So again, I put out, tweets and all different types of videos talking about getting to $1,000 or $10,000 or potentially having this level of an increase that people just can't seem to grasp because of the market cap. And I think that XRP honestly just has so much going for it that we can't sit here and just look at what the market cap is and what the market cap was. And then for some people to even say what the market cap was and say that it will never get back to that market cap again is just blasphemy, right? It's just absurd, because XRP will definitely get to those levels. And I don't want anybody to miss out on this opportunity. But again, this is all in my opinion. I'm not going to sit here and say that you 100% need to buy it. There are so many other plays out there that you can purchase, that you can make a ton of money off of, and you could be a part of. But I feel like this, you're more a part of, what the use case will be overall and what the use case will be for crypto as a whole, right? Not just like, hey, I'm going to be a part of this use case over here that's part of the gaming space. No, you're going to be a part of the banking space, right? And that's way bigger. And I'm not talking about the US banking space. I'm talking about the global banking space, the global cross-border payment sector, and that being worth $300 trillion by itself, without factoring in any other sector that would be included in there as well. Understand that this has a lot more strength than people think. It would be worth a lot more than you think. So if you're thinking it's going to be $5, you're thinking it's going to be $10, I'm pretty much certain that it's going to be a lot higher than that. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys do want to follow me on Rumble, make sure you guys follow me on Rumble. Again, we're at like 422 followers over on this platform. And if you want to follow me, that link will be down in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.